Welcome back, guys, and today I'm at the Blue Lagoon, and that's all I'm going to say. Not most people, but loads of people know where this place is now, and that is one of the drawbacks of social media. Obviously it's got its good and its bad, and this is one of the bad things about social media. Obviously this has been popping up all over Facebook, Instagram and everything else, and throughout lockdown this place has been absolutely packed. And the drawback of that is, you know what people are like. They bring everything with them, all their stuff, and leave all their litter. And we've just walked from up that end, walked right the way down, and it is quite bad. Lots of bottles of pop being left around, and crates of beer, and I've even seen a couple of nappies now up there, which is absolutely terrible to think that, you know, somebody's come here with a young kid and they ain't even grown up enough to take their dirty nappies with them. But beautiful place. I've been here before, but I haven't vlogged or nothing here. But it's not the best time to be coming, really. I've come here for sunset. I'm hoping that sky is going to explode like it has been the last couple of days. Really, this is I imagine it'd be better for sunrise coming down that way, and a bit of light coming through, lighting up all the trees and the rocks would be beautiful. But I'm going to do a few shots. Obviously I'll be bracketing them, trying to get the best out of all this. I'm going to be using this as a bit of a leading line, and hopefully then sky in the background. It's changing. I don't know if you can view it, but on the way down there was loads of teenage girls and boys on the side of the rock drinking and smoking their wacky backy, being typical teenagers. But the good thing now, and the good thing about shooting sunsets, my favourite time of the day, and everyone else seems to go, but like the last of them have just drifted off there now. But yeah, just gonna hang out by here for 5, and hopefully our sky is gonna explode. I'm not too optimistic because there's not a great deal of cloud in the sky, but hopefully it will. I've been a bit quiet lately. I have done a few vlogs. I've been down to Dorset, down to Lulworth Cove, Durdle Door, Man of War and Portland Bill. I did do a vlog. I haven't had time to put it together, or I haven't really felt like it's gonna come together, because I've done a couple of locations, but the last one when I was in Portland Bill and all that, the sound was terrible because it was just so windy, and I still haven't invested in a microphone, so I don't know if that's going to come together. But images will be coming out there and on Instagram. If you do follow me on here, follow me on Instagram as well, and you'll see the images I've been producing. But that is it for a minute. I'm gonna give you a look around on the old drone. Got some nice drone footage, and I just done a nice little time lapse, which is see the clouds just coming over, which looks lovely. So I'll pull that up, and then we'll come back to the camera. Composition wise, guys. So composition, guys, I've got this little tree here in the foreground. It's not looking the best, it's a little bit damaged, but I'm just like getting the top end of it, and using then the reflection of the cliff and the trees, as you can see, going up here, and on the left and right is the leading line to, hopefully we're going to get a little bit of colour up there. It's gone nice actually, because the it's gone still, and this little lagoon has gone like glass. Honestly, it's looking wicked. If you go up by, look, you can see it's picking up the colour, but this is about as high as I can go without losing the reflection on the sky. I want to try and get a bit of both in. So what I'm doing here, focusing on the foreground. So look there, just focusing on this tree here. Take that shot. That's 2.5 seconds. Just give me a minute. I'm on f11 ISO 100, and that's giving me 2 seconds. And then so I can get all the sky and everything in detail. Bring it down. Watch, you should see the sky coming, a bit of colour there. And that's just 15th of a second. That's about, I don't know, good 5 or 6 stops underexposed, but I'm going to take that. 2 second timer, and then I'm going to blend the two of them together in HDR image in Lightroom. So that is it for now, guys. Like I said, setting wise, ISO 100, I'm on f11, so that gives me a nice sharp image right the way throughout. And then I think it's 1.5 seconds. I can just see now at the top of the trees there, just get a nice bit of, see the yellow that's coming in there. Can hold out, it's just about 9:10 now. Can hold out a bit longer and hopefully get some magic in the sky. Well guys, it didn't really happen tonight, unfortunately. The last 2 or 3 nights I've been in the garden and the sky has been going absolutely crazy. Some of the best sunsets I've ever seen, and it's weird because you get a sense of panic, you know, thinking, oh, why am I flipping out or up a mountain now at the coast? And I thought, right, I'm going to get out tonight, but I've come out and unfortunately it didn't happen. But that is photography for you, isn't it? But I'm definitely going to come back here later on in the year for when the sun rises about, I don't know, 6:30, 7 o'clock. So I'm going to get up at 3 o'clock. But yeah, this will absolutely be a stunning place for sunrise. You know, it'll light up the lake, and I think that's what you really need, because this lake is so blue. To pick up the colour, you really need that sunlight hitting it. But that's it for now. Up and coming plans, I haven't really got anything in mind. Location wise, I want to get back down to West Wales, like down by on the Pembrokeshire coast, down St Gavins and the Green Bridge and all that. I want to get back down that way, shoot on all the coasts and that. So hopefully, a bit of luck. That's what we'll be vlogging from next. But until then, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Hit the likes, get the likes going. It all helps. And leave your comments and engage, and I'll be greatly appreciated. So until next time, guys, I'll catch you on the next one.